has a built-in headlight behind its eye that it can use for finding food or attracting a mate. And then when it's not using it, it actually can roll it down into its head, just like the headlights on your Lamborghini. This fish actually has high beams, and this fish, which is one of my favorites, has 3 headlights on each side of its head. Now this one is blue, and that's the color of most bioluminescence in the ocean because evolution has selected for the color that travels furthest through seawater in order to optimize communication. So most animals make blue light, and most animals can only see blue light. But this fish is a really fascinating exception because it has 2 red light organs, and I have no idea why there's 2, and that's something I want to solve someday. But it also, not only can it see blue light, but it can see red light. So it uses its red bioluminescence like a sniper scope to be able to sneak up on animals that are blind to red light and be able to see them without being seen. It's also got a little chin barbel here with a blue luminescent lure on it that it can use as to attract prey from a long way off, and a lot of animals will use their bioluminescence as a lure. This is another one of my favorite fish. This is a viper fish, and it's got a lure on the end of a long fishing rod that it arches in front of the toothy jaw that gives the viper fish its name. The teeth on this fish are so long that if they closed inside the mouth of the fish, it would actually impale its own brain. So instead, it slides in grooves on the outside of the head. This is a Christmas tree of a fish. Everything on this fish lights up. It's not just that lure. It's got a built-in flashlight. It's got these jewel-like light organs on its belly that it uses for a type of camouflage that obliterates its shadow. So when it's swimming around and there's a predator looking up from below, it makes itself disappear. It's got light organs in the mouth. It's got light organs in every single scale, in the fins, and a mucus layer on the back and the belly, all used for different things, some of which we know about, some of which we don't. And we know a little bit more about bioluminescence thanks to Pixar, and I'm very grateful to Pixar for sharing my favorite topic with so many people. I do wish with their budget that they might have spent just a tiny bit more money to pay a consulting fee to some poor starving graduate student who could have told them that those are the eyes of a fish that's been preserved in formalin. These are the eyes of a living anglerfish. So she's got a lure that she sticks out in front of this living mousetrap of needle-sharp teeth in order to attract in some unsuspecting prey.